Batteries. Close your eyes. Place your hands on your knees. Back straight. Chin straight and parallel to the ground. Let's come in the present moment. Let's forget about the past and the future. Let's continue to remain in the present. And as we always do, let us promise ourselves that we give the best for the next 1 hour. Let us begin the practice by chanting Om 3 times. Deep inhale. Gently and slowly open your eyes to begin with the warm up for today. Sit straight, legs straight. Let us start with ankle rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bring your toes towards you, away from you, towards you, away from you, and towards you, and away from you. Just move your fingers also up and down. Once with this, just come back into asana. Let us start with shoulder rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. From here, let us start with neck rotation on the right hand side. Inhale from the right hand side, slowly and slowly. Go back. Exhale. And come back to the center. 2, inhale from the right hand side. Once again, go back slowly. Exhale. And come back. 3, inhale. Go back. Exhale. Come down. 4, inhale once again. Exhale. And come down. 5, inhale once again. Slowly and slowly. Let's go back. Exhale. and come down. Let us start the same thing again from the left hand side now. Very good. Inhale from the left hand side. Let's go back slowly and slowly. And come down. 2. Inhale once again. Left hand side. And go back. 3. Inhale once again. And let us start the rotation. Let's go back. Exhale. And come down. 4. Inhale once again. And let's go back. And back to the front. And 5. From the back. Exhale. And let's go back. And back to the center. From here, inhale and look towards the right hand side. Very good. Only rotate your neck or turn your neck to the right hand side. Body remains straight. Very good. Let's hold here. Let's come back. Inhale, left hand side. Back. Inhale, right hand side. Back. Inhale, left hand side. Back. 3 on the right hand side again. Back. Inhale, 3 on the left hand side. And let's come back. Let's look up and down now 3 times. Inhale and let's go up. Try to go up as much as you can. Back. Inhale, go down now. Try to touch your chin with your chest. If you want, you can push your head a bit more down so that you feel the stress in your back. Let's come back. Inhale, let's go up again. Back. Inhale, let's go down. Back. And 3. Inhale again, let's go up. And back. Inhale, let's go down. And back. Now let's bend on the right hand side and left hand side. Inhale and bend. So you can take help of your hand to feel the stretch. Very good. Yes, very. Back. Inhale, bend on the left hand side. Same way, take the help of the left hand. Back. 2. Inhale, bend on the right hand side again. Very good. Back. Inhale, back, left hand side. Back. And last step. Inhale, bend on the right hand side. And back. Back. Bend on the left hand side. And let's come back. From here, extend your arms on the side and let us start with arm rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. From here, bring your right hand out and bend the fingers down. And with the left hand, push the fingers towards you. Okay? So your right hand is down, facing, the fingers are downwards. And with your left hand, push the fingers towards you. Same way, bring the fingers now facing the sky, and with the left hand, once again, push the fingers towards you. Similarly, left hand, come on Lisa Didi, hand below and pull the fingers towards you, and then same way, bring the fingers up facing towards the sky and pull the fingers towards you. Okay? So Hana and Radha, maybe possible, switch on your video. So Hana, I could see your video today. Now similarly, place your fingers on your shoulders and let us start with rotation to make zeros from inside to outside. Inside to outside, 1, 2, inhale, 3 again, inhale, and full circle, 4, once again, inhale, and full circle, and 5, inhale, and once again, full circle. Same way from outside to inside, outside to inside. Let's do it. 1, 2, outside to inside, 3, outside to inside, 4, outside to inside, and 5, outside to inside. From here, let's come up on our knees. Okay, let's come up on our knees. And now let us do once again. Your left hand in the front, right hand back. Again, let's do 10 counts. Okay, so left hand out, right hand back. 1, 2, opposite direction. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and last count 20. From here only, let us start with arm rotation. 1, right hand side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The other way round. 1, 2, very good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right hand comes down. Left hand starts. 1, 2, 3. I've already told you the benefits of arm rotation. It helps to lose all the fat from the upper body. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good, everyone. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last count 10. So one direction only we will do now. Both the hands. That is from top to bottom. Okay. So from here, top to bottom. 1. Yes, very good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. From here, let us do one thing. Right hand bring to the right heel and then stretch left hand up like this. Okay. Yes, very good. Chalo, open up. 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's come back. Let's do the same thing on the left hand side to work on our oblique. So left hand touches your heel and right hand goes up, turn back, and then try to feel the stretch over here on your oblique. Let's hold for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. From here, let's come back. You can come back in Vajra Asana. Okay, from here, bring up your arms and let's again twist on the right hand side as much as we can. And very good, everyone. Let us hold for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's come back. Same way on the left hand side. Let's rotate and twist as much as you can. Squeeze in your belly, stomach. Okay. Left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. From here, let's come back. Now let's place the right hand on the right hand side beside you. Okay, if you want to sit like this, you can sit like this. If you want to sit in Sukhasana, you can sit in Sukhasana. And place the right hand on the right hand side. Lift your left hand up and then bend on the right hand side. So that again we feel the stretch on the obliques on the left. Okay, so place your right hand and then try to bend as much as you can on the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's come back. Same way. Place the left palm on the left hand side. Very good. Inhale, lift your right hand up, and then try to bend as much as you can on the left hand side. Once again, just try to see that this is stretching up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's come back. Let's come to Marsari Asana and let's do some inhale and exhale in Marsari Asana. So you are on your knees and on your hands below your shoulders, your knees straight. Okay, and now what we will do? Inhale and look up. Let's hold here for 5 counts. Exhale and arch your back. Very good, everyone. Inhale once again, look up. Exhale, arch your back. Three, once again, inhale, look up. And exhale, once again, look down towards your belly and try to arch your back. Let's come back to normal. From here, let us start some exercises for our thighs and hips and butt. So what we will do is, we will lift the right leg up like this, okay, and then back. 2, right leg up, and then back. 3, right leg up, and then back. Okay, so let's do 20 counts, right leg up. So right leg goes up like this, and back, right leg up like this, and back. Okay, 20 counts on the right hand side, 20 counts on the left hand side. Come on, everyone. Let us start. Okay, so you are again same way in the Marsari Asana pose, but instead of doing that, we will lift the right leg up. 1, up and down. 2, up. Very good, and down. 3, up and down. 4, up and down. 5, up and down. 6, up and down. 7, up and down. 8, up and down. 9, up and down. 10, up and down. Last 10, down. 9, down. 8, down. 7, down. 6, down. 5, down. 4, down. 3, down. 2, down. 1, down. Very good. Let us repeat the same thing for the left leg now. Lift up. 1 and back. 2, back, 3, back, 4, back, 5, and back, 6, and back, 7, back, 8, back, 9, and back, 10, and back, plus 10, back, 9, back, 8, back, 7, back, 6, back, 5, back, 4, back, 3, back, 2, back, and last one, and back. From here, just have a look at me. Let's open the right leg completely straight, and then we will push it up, kick in the air. So we'll push it up 1 and back straight, 2 kick up and back straight, 3 kick up and back straight, 4 and back straight. Okay? So this way our buttocks and hips will go a bit inside. Okay? Chalo everyone. Let us start. 20 count on both the sides. Right leg first goes out. 1 up and down. 2 kick back. 3 kick and back. 4 kick and back. 5 kick and back. 6 kick and back. 7 kick. Very good. 8 kick. 9 kick. 10 kick. 11 kick. 12 kick. Are you feeling the pain on the left hand side as well? 13 kick. 14 kick. 15 kick. 16 kick. 17 kick. 18 kick. 19 kick. And 20 kick. So right leg comes back. Left leg goes out same way. Left leg is straight. And then let's start kicking 20 times in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's come back. Now from here, what we will do is, your right hand take under your left arm and come to the shoulders, and left hand goes straight, and let's relax here for 10 counts. So your right hand, okay, right hand goes completely down till the shoulder, and left hand is straight. Come on everyone, let's lie down like this and relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's come up. Okay, the same thing with the left hand now. Left hand goes under the right shoulder till the right hand till the shoulder, and then right hand is straight, and let's hold here for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And let's come back now. Let us sit in Vajrasana or Sukhasana to start with the first set of pranayam for today. As you all know, this week we are doing Kapalbhati pranayam for the entire week. Same way, inhale, exhale, and then forceful exhalation. While you're exhaling, your belly should go in. So let us do it for 2 minutes. You can choose your own pace, fast, madhyam gati, medium pace, or slow pace, and let's do it for about 2 minutes. You can count 60 counts in your mind. Take a pause, inhale once again, and then exhale, and then you can continue for 60 more counts. Okay, everyone? Let us start with 2 minutes of Kapalbhati Pranayam. You can sit straight, back straight in, hands in Prakti Mudra, and back straight. You may want to close your eyes, and let us start with Kapalbhati Pranayam for 2 minutes. Inhale, exhale, and then forceful exhalations. Last 1 minute. Let's come back. Let's come back now to the beginning of our match. Like you all remember, today is the last day for the burpee challenge. We did 20 counts of burpees yesterday. So today we need to do 25 burpees, and then we will again take some rest and sit in Sukhasana and do the second set of pranayams. Okay? So everyone, come on, let's get up. Everyone on your mat. We will go slow, don't worry. Okay? Same thing now you would be knowing by now. Jump up, back, push up, come up, push up. If you are not able to do, you can place your knees on the mat and then do a push up. It's okay. Okay? Chalo, everyone, let us start. Count number 1, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up, jump back in and down. 2, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up, jump back in and down. 3, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up and back. Down. 4, jump up, down, back, push up, come up and back. Done. 5, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up and back. So we are done with 5. 6, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up and back. 7, jump up, down, back, push up, come up, jump back in. Down. 8, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up, back in. 9, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up, jump back in. Halfway through, almost 10, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up and back in. 10, 15 more to go. 11, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up, back. 12, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up, push back in. Done. 3 or 13, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up, back. 4, jump up, down, back, push up, come up, come back. 5, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up, back. 10 more to go. 6, down, back, push up, come up, back. 7, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up, back in. 8, jump up, down, back, push up, come up, back. 9, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up, back. 10, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up, back. 5 more to go. Countdown begins. 5, down, back, push up, come up, and back. 4, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up, back. 3, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up, and back. 2, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up, and back. Last one to go for the beat. Jump up, down, push back, push up, and back. And we are done. Everyone, we have done 25 burpees today, all together, without taking a break. Come on, everyone. Let us sit and just relax. Okay. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Your heartbeats are running fast? Yeah? Very good. Okay? Once again. Inhale and exhale. One more count. Inhale and exhale. Okay? I hope that this deep inhale and exhale, your heartbeats will slowly and slowly come back to normal. And now we will start the second set of pranayam for today. 2 minutes of Kapalbhati pranayam before we move to the next section of some exercises or asanas. And then third set of pranayam. After that we will do some stretches. Okay, some 5 asanas of stretches, and then we will finish the session. So let's move on to the second set of pranayam. Let's sit straight, hands in Prakti Mudra, back straight, chin straight, and parallel to the ground. Inhale and exhale and start forceful exhalations of Kapalbhati. Let's come back to normal and let us come again at the beginning of our mat. So what we will do is now, we will do some more workouts. So we will do around 8 to 10 exercises once again before we move to the next section. So to start with, what we will do is, you have a bit of the shoulder distance width apart between your legs, and what you will do is, we will jump and then touch the ground and then jump up again, down and then jump again, and down, jump up. If you want, if you can keep your legs wider like this, it will be good. Okay, so kind of squat with jumping. So we will kind of jumping squat. Okay, so we will do 30 jumping squats. Okay, come on, let's get up. Come on. Okay, so we will do 30 jumping squats, and then we will do cross lunges, 20 like this, and then 20 like this. Okay, chal everyone. Let us start. Your legs are a bit shoulder width distance apart, and like this. Let's jump up. 30 count. Jump up, down, 2, jump up, down, 3, jump up, down, 4, jump up, down, 5, jump up, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, down, 9, down, 10, down, 10 down, 9 down, 8 down, 6 down, 7 down, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last 10. And relax. Okay? Everyone? Good till here? Okay? Just look at me. Take some pause. Relax your breath. In the meantime, I'll just show you. You can place your hands like this. Left leg goes out. And right leg back and down. 1, 2, 3. I'm making it easier. I'm not changing it every turn. So with this, let's try to do 15 counts. Okay, and then we will bring back, and then left leg to here only. We will do 15 counts. Okay, we are not changing it at every count. If we change, then it becomes difficult. Okay, so everyone, relax. We'll start. Good. Okay, so your left leg is out, right leg is crossed, and then let us start. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, very good, 5, 6, pain started, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 more to go, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ideally, we should repeat the number of counts. We should at least do 3 to 5 rounds. But it's okay. We will do other asanas. Now, your right leg goes out and left leg is making a cross. Okay? Same way, 15 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, very good, 5, 6, very good, Babita, 7, Lisa Didi, come on, 8, 9, let's do it slowly and properly, 10, 11, 12, 13, very good, Gayatri, 14, and last count 15, and slowly, let's come up, okay? So, we are done with these 2 exercises. Now, the remaining 3, let's come on our knees. Okay? So, the 3 exercises that we will do today, on our knees, hold your arms in front of you. Okay? Hold your arms and then balance on your thighs. Inhale and go back. You should not fall. So balance on your thighs. So you will feel the pressure on the thighs. Come on, show me once. Babita, I could see you doing very good. Come on, others. Slowly, don't fall. And the entire body should go back. Not only the half upper back, no. The entire body should go back and then you will actually feel the pressure on the thighs. Are you feeling it? Feeling it? Gayatri ji, नहीं. पूरा hips को भी पीछे करो. See, it's like this, not like this. वो दूसरा है, वो थर्ड आसन वो भी है. ठीक है, where we will bend the back. But पहला जो है, hold it and just look at me. See, my back is straight. And then let's come. ठीक है? Let's try to do it. Let's try to start with 10 counts. Chalo, everyone. Okay? So hold the arms in the front and then let us come back. 1 and back. 2 and back. Everyone okay? 3 and back. Are you feeling the stretch on the thighs? 4 also on the ankles. 4 and back. 5 and back. 6, very good. And back. 7 and back. 8 and back. 9 and back. Last count. Very good, Babita. 10 and back. Okay? So we are done with the first. Now what we will do is, we will do Ushtrasana. Hold the right leg, the right heel. If you want to, you may want to come up on your toes so that you get some height. Okay? So come up on your toes and then hold the heels on the right hand side and then same way, just bend and then left and then we will come up like this. Ushtrasana or camel pose. It's a very powerful asana. Okay, so we will hold it for 1 minute. I will do 60 counts. Let's hold it for 1 minute. If your back pain, it's okay, you can come down. Okay, let's do one thing. We will hold it for 30 seconds. Okay, so 30 counts. We will come in Balasana. Take some rest on the back and then we will again come up, hold 30 counts and then again come and take rest on the back because in Ushtrasana your back will bend and may pain a bit of it. So because we are doing it only the second time, so it's okay. Let's do it for 30 counts only. Like I told, try to come up on your toes in case you want to increase the height so that you can hold it. Okay? Very good. Very good. Very good. Chalo everyone. Let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly, very slowly come up and then give support to your back and then come and do a forward bend in Balasana and take some rest and give some rest to your back. Okay, it's okay. We will not do the second count. In case your back is paining, let's move on to the next asana, that is Ardha Chandra Asana. Okay, let's come back. And from here, what you were doing, Gayatri ji, earlier, inhale, raise your hands up, and then slowly and slowly bring back. As much as you can. And then let's hold only for 10 counts. And let's again come back in Balasana. These are couple of asanas which work on our back opening as well as when you go back, you are trying to pull your glutes in. So we are working today on all our lower body. So it will work on all these parts. Okay? Chalo, let's come up. Inhale, hands go up everyone, straight. Ardha Chandra Asana, and then we're trying to become like a half moon. So slowly, bend back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And come forward. And slowly coming Chandra Asana. Oh, sorry, Valasana. Take some breath. Okay. From here, what we will do is, let's come on our hips. What we will do now is, I'll just show you 10 counts of both pose and then 10 counts of low both pose. Okay, so what we will do? We will hold here for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3 like this, and then continuation with this only, we will hold here 10 counts. And then let's do 2 rounds, 10 counts again here, and then 10 counts again. If we can continue, we will do the third count. Okay, but no rest. We will keep continuing it. So 10 counts both pose, then 10 counts low pose, again 10 counts both pose, and 10 counts low both pose. 2 rounds at least we will do. Let's try to do the third round also. Then if we do the third round, it will make complete 1 minute. Okay? Okay. Chalo. Everyone. Let us start. So we are here. I'm not also telling you to do straight. It's okay. Even if you do this much, it is fine. Okay? So this much and hands are like here. We will start the counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. From here only, come to low boat pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's come up again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's come down again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And you can relax. Give some rest to your back. It's okay. 2 more asanas before we move to the third set of pranayam, and then we move to the stretches for today. Okay, slowly turn to your right hand side and let's come up. Now let's lie down on our back. Sorry, on our stomach. Okay, we will do Shalavasana or locust pose. Let's lie down on our mat, and what we will do, hands in the front, legs back, and then we will lift up again. This also works on the entire body. It will also work on our glutes and also on our stomach and belly fat. Okay, so let's try to hold for 20 counts. Everyone, chalo. Okay, let us start. We are on our back. Let's inhale and come up. 1, 2, 3. Lift up your legs as much as you can. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's come down. We did almost the second last asana. And we move on to the last asana. That will be Dhanur Asana. We will lie down on our stomach. We will continue and just fold our legs. Hold your ankles. Hold your ankles, everyone. And from here, keep them straight and then lift up. Yeah, try to lift up as much as you can. Okay, we will try to hold for 5 counts, come back again, and again hold for 5 counts. Okay, chalo everyone. Inhale, come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, come down. We will do once again. Keep holding your legs. And then when you're cupping up, try to stretch the back as much as you can and try to go up as much as you can. Then only you will get some sweat. Okay? Let us start. Inhale and come up. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And slowly come back. Relax. Slowly come up to sit in Sukha Asana. I hope you all are sweating nicely. Good workout on a Sunday morning. Right? Yeah, good. So let us start with the final round of pranayam for today. Kapalbhati for 2 minutes. Sit straight, back straight. Yes, Samaira, let us start Kapalbhati pranayam. Okay? Sit straight, back straight, hands in Prapti Mudra. You may want to close your eyes and let us start. Inhale, exhale. Last 1 minute. Let's come back. So we move on to the last section. We will do couple of stretches to finish the practice for today. Let's come in Adho Mukhi Svanasana. We will hold there for about 30 counts, and then basically we will do Ek Pad Adho Mukhi Svanasana to come in Kapotasana. So your right leg goes up, we will hold here, let's say for 20 counts, and then you will bring your right leg in the front. Okay, right leg comes in the front. Slowly, just look at me. My left leg is going down. My left leg is going down, and then I will come down and we will hold here for 30 counts. So you will feel the stretch over here. Okay, everyone? Chalo. So 20 counts in Ek Pad Adho Mukhi Svanasana, and then, okay? So let's do it. Adho Mukhi first. Let's come up. Come on, Samaira. Let's come up. Let's Madhu. Come on. Okay, so what we will do? Right leg goes up. Let's hold here for 20 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and right leg comes in the front. Okay, right leg comes in the front. Now just look at me. Left leg high, I am moving it down. I am on my left side. Okay, let's do it. So I am here, right leg is like this. Yes, very good, Gayatri. Come on. And then left side, and then slowly and slowly go down. Let's go straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Feel the pain. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So let's come up. Now the same stretch we will do on the left hand side. Okay, let's come up. Right leg is down. Now your left leg goes up. Right knee should not bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the left leg in the front now. Yes. Now right knee goes down. Slowly and slowly. Right thigh. Keep coming on the right side. Okay? And then let's come on the right side. Straight on the mat. Feeling the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's come up on our sole once again on our legs, and now let's bring the last stretch for the today. Last stretch for today. Left leg is in the front and right leg is like this, back. Okay, left knee is straight. Left knee is straight, and then try to slowly and slowly bend back, bend forward, and hold your hands back, and then try to make a fist, and then try to come down. Let's hold here for 20 counts. Turn. Everyone. Let's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feeling the stretch on the hamstrings. 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back, slowly, open the hands. Left leg goes back. Now stretch. Right leg comes in the front. Right knee is not bending at all. It is straight. Left leg facing the right leg. And once again, hold your hands back. Make a fist. And bring your hands up. Try to open up your shoulders. And slowly go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back, come on your mat, and let us sit straight. Let us sit straight, back straight. Nothing to be done now, just relax. In Inhale and exhale. Only you have to keep your back straight. That's it. Nothing else. Just relax. Inhale and exhale. Those who want to lie down can lie down on the mat. We are done with a good workout on a Sunday morning. Let's join our palms. Let's hold Namaste. And let us chant Om once with Om Shanti to end the practice for this week. See you all tomorrow, Monday evening, with lots of positive energy and a fresh zeal and enthusiasm to work on your body. So let's chant Om to finish the practice for today. Close your eyes, hold Namaste in front of your heart chakra. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Keeping your eyes closed, gently rub your palms, rub them fast to generate some heat. Fast, fast, and place it on your face. Feel the warmth of your palms, hands in front of your eyes, with a smile on your face. Gently and slowly open your eyes. Thank you everyone for joining the class for today. Have a nice day, have a nice Sunday, peaceful.